Boxing for a Cause. Bad Boy ng Cebu versus Ferdinand de la Merced. Sino kaya ang mananalo? Kinsa kaha ang mabunog for tonight's boxing event? Judges, we got now sa tanan, ha? Ato say clear tong stage, ato say clear. Ginhawa sa tagamay, ha? Of course, atong acknowledge the three judges at ringside scoring the bout, J.D. Sanchez, Pocholo Padilla, and Victor Cugal. Before we start, that's on your cue. Bell referee, Fernando Ocon. On your cue, wearing white, on the ring. Seryoso na kasanan. Kinsa kaha ang mabunog? Nine mouthpiece wa. Tanawa ko no. Verify lang. Klaruha. Wala rapat tayo sponsor sa dental. Right now, makita ninyo, nagkagulo na. Uy, di sa basta-basta, ha? Uy. Hala ka diya, ha? Uy, on top, si Ferdinand de la Merced, on the top, ha? Ni barog na yun si Ferdinand de la Merced. Si Bad Boy ng Cebu, nawahi o pagbarog. Grabe yun eh. Endurance ba ni siya? O sa padagan na sa lawas? Ha? Uy. Ha? Uy, kamao sa manumpag, ha? Di ba basta-basta? Si Ferdinand de la Merced, the Philippine Looper, from Nueva Ecija, is wearing blue headgear. Hala, you're wrestling. Hala ka niya. You're wrestling. Always on the look. Always on the action. Oh my God. Ha? Ikaduha na down. Gikutasan na si Philippine Looper. Ferdinand de la Merced, gikutasan na. Is this about the size or is this about the endurance? Moni pangutana diri karon. Philippine Looper, Ferdinand de la Merced, is all about the endurance, the stamina, walking from point to point of Philippine Islands versus Bad Boy ng Cebu of Consolacion, Cebu, wearing red on the red corner. Uy!